Welcome to Don Amott Leisure Kingdom. My name's Richard and today I'm going to show you around this 19 plate Elddis 155 Special Edition. A little bit about it: it's got alloy wheels, outside shower point, which is handy for washing your boots down and if you've got any animals. Round the back it's fitted with a 1, 2, 3, 4 bike rack. Obviously that's just showing you where the leisure battery is in the electric hookup, your water fill there and your toilet cassette. Coming around this side here, I do apologise, it's got a reverse camera as well. On this side of the vehicle you've got a external barbecue point, save you carrying extra bottles around. This is underneath the French bed, and this is your gas locker. On this side of the vehicle it's got an awning as well. Also this comes with a television aerial. Okay, let's take you on the inside. Welcome back to the inside of this Elddis 155. Let me show you around the cab first. Okay, it's on the Peugeot base. As we said, it's a 19 plate, it's done 5,000 miles. Obviously cab air conditioning, ASR, it has automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, it's got cab blinds. Obviously it's got your Bluetooth and their stereo controls on there, 6-speed gearbox, 2 captain's chairs that obviously swivel round. This actually makes up into a double bed. Underneath here you have got the travelling seats, so it is 4 berth, 4 travelling seats as well. Up above you've got plenty of covered space. Put in your stuff. And as you see on here, you've got a solar panel on the roof. There's the charger. A nice little bit of extra workspace here. Sink. 3-way fridge with the icebox there. Onto the cooking side of things, you've obviously got 3 gas rings and 1 electric plate, and you have a grill and oven, which basically doesn't look like it's been touched. Obviously you've got a wardrobe here, which has got your freestanding table inside, and that is your television aerial. So it's nice, you can use that table for inside or out. As I said, you've got a nice large French bed. I'll just move out of the way so Wendy can show you into the toilet. So it's a combined toilet and shower.
I think it's got the drop down sink. Yeah.
And one thing I forgot to mention here as we're coming past, it's obviously got a microwave. As we say, it's a 2019 Elddis 155 with 5,000 miles on the clock. If you'd like any more information on it, please don't hesitate to give us a call and come on down.